In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate support on your Chevy HHR. It's located on the rear of the vehicle. Make sure you have something supporting your rear hatch before beginning this job. That way it doesn't fall on you. We're going to use a pick and we're going to pull this out. And as we do, we're going to remove the rod. Do the same on this side. Once you lift it up, you can pull it off. Now we're going to install it. You're just going to line it up and push it on. Do the same for the bottom. You're going to line it up and push it on. Just a side note, if your liftgate support isn't lining up with the ball on whichever side you decided to do second, then you're going to have to adjust your pull jack, because sometimes they get worn out and this will lower over time and not go all the way up. So just put it back up in the right position until it lines up and snap it in there. Now we're going to remove our pull jack. First I'm going to lower it and take it away. Now we're going to lower it and just make sure it functions correctly. Beautiful.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.